Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll discuss the expected section B questions from the first chapter in financial institutions and market, that is financial system in India. The first chapter is financial system in India. So in that, what and all the section B questions you can expect, I'll just discuss. What are the functions of financial system? So there are 8 functions. First one is, see, I have not given all the detailed explanation. I have just made the points of everything so that when you are studying for exam, it will help you like last minute revision. So first is saving function. So the word itself says saving function, saving. So see, the financial system, it connects savers and investors. So what happens? Savers are the people who want the fund. So investors are ready to give their fund. So this mobilizes their savings. Simply if they keep the money, it will not fetch them any returns. So if they have invested that money, they will even get certain returns on that. So this will mobilizes the savings effectively and efficiency. So saving function. So it connects savers and investors. Liquidity function. So what is this liquidity means? The financial assets can be converted into cash anytime. Today morning I may purchase certain shares. Afternoon I may sell the shares and I may get the money. So 1 minute before if I purchase the shares, the next moment only I may sell the shares and get the money. So easily we can convert the securities into cash. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ the securities ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ದ liquidity function. Next is payment function. So now they have developed, see this the financial system has been developed so far that they have recent trends have been formed in terms of buying of shares and all. So you can use the check payment, credit card system. Nowadays they have even introduced UPI payment systems also. So very conveniently we can pay the payment so that the risk is also reduced. So no cash dealings. Everything is done through the online method only. Next, risk function. So see, an investor doesn't know about uncertainty future. See, so suddenly COVID came. None of the investor had guessed that COVID would have come. So, but the financial system will help you to eliminate most of the risk. It will help you to eliminate the risk and have a safe investments. Next, information function. So it gives the information about the financial position of the company, and it will give the price related information, which company has which company is issuing at what price, what is the actual price of shares. So all the information will be given by the financial system. So it also plays the function of information function. Next, transfer function. So suppose within the India, okay, you have purchased the shares in Karnataka. You need to sell the shares for the person in Delhi. So across the India, the transfer can easily happen. Financial system makes sure that the transfer within the geographical boundaries happens very smoothly. So transfer function also it is doing. Next, reformatory function. So that various developments have been happened in the financial system. They are bringing various new financial assets. Various reforms have been formed so that all the needs of the investors is catered. ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Next, financial deepening and broadening. So financial deepening means it is increasing the financial assets as a percentage of GDP. Deepening. Broadening means bringing up various different types of instruments, various types of financial securities, so that it will broaden the financial system of the country. So this function is also being performed by the financial system. Apart from these functions, there are certain other functions also. Even it will help the companies to choose the product for which the finance have to be spent, and it will help the company to review the performance of the project, whether the project is feasible or not, and it will help the company to form the capital. So these are the functions of the financial system. Next is one of the important question which can be expected. Difference between primary and secondary market. Difference between primary market and secondary market. So nature of securities. So see, in the primary market, you issue the securities for the first time. So shares are issued for the first time. But in secondary market, whatever the shares that has been already issued in the primary market, okay, that will be traded. That will be traded. So ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಏನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, the primary market provides the funds to the company directly. Company will issue the shares, it will get the money. So directly the company is getting the fund. But in secondary market, it doesn't provide any fund to the company because company doesn't issue any securities in the secondary market. It is only issuing in the primary market. So in primary market, it is getting the funds, and secondary market, the company doesn't get any funds. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Another name for primary market is new issue market, and another name for secondary market is stock market or after market we call. Next, price of the securities. Price of the securities. In primary market, management decides the price of the security, whereas in secondary market, the demand and the supply, the demand for your shares will decide the price. Primary market ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಲೆ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ. Primary market is not dependent on any other market, but secondary market is dependent on primary market. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ರೇನೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್? ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ from issuing the securities. But in secondary market, it will benefit the investors. Investors do trade. Investors will keep that price risk in their mind. They will buy and sell the shares because they want to make the profit. But in primary market, company wants the capital. So primary market will benefit company, whereas secondary market will benefit the investors. Intermediaries. Who are all the intermediaries of the primary market? Underwriters. The company will use the underwriters to offer the securities in the initial public offering. But in secondary market, it uses brokers. So investors use brokers in order to buy and sell the shares. Frequency of selling. In primary market, you can only issue the shares once. Only one time you are issuing the shares in primary market. But in secondary market, multiple times the investor can buy the securities and sell the securities. Buying and selling can be done to n number of times. Location. There is no geographical location for primary market. There is no fixed location for primary market. But for secondary market, we have stock exchanges and all. So there is a specific places. So these are all the two important questions which we can expect from this section B questions. So in section B, we can expect these two questions. Apart from these, also few questions are there, but those questions I have discussed in the section C video. But section B, you can focus on these two questions.